Hi, it's Brett from the Cosy Stove Company. Today we're talking about maintaining your stove. Firstly, it is important never to use water or liquids when cleaning the outside of your stove. This will encourage the stove body to rust. Always use a microfiber cloth and wipe down the outer body of the stove. Rope seals should be checked frequently on the inside of the door. They should be checked for any damage, such as fraying, and whether they're too compressed to actually seal the door. It's one of the most common things that requires changing on a stove. Next, it's important to check the condition of the fire bricks on the inside. These are made out of vermiculite and are susceptible to damage as the fire constantly cools and reheats. As a result, they crack. Crack isn't necessarily a sign that it needs changing straight away, but as the brick begins to crumble and expose the body of the stove and the steel behind, then it will be time to change. It is important that the stove is swept annually at a minimum. Always use a certified chimney sweep to do this. This is very important to keep your home insurance valid and also all the warranties on the stove and the flue system. Contact us to find out our recommended chimney sweep and for purchasing any parts that you may require for the maintenance of your stove. Lastly, it is very important that you check your carbon monoxide alarm weekly. We fit one of these on every installation. Visit our website to find out more: www.thecozystovecompany.co.uk. Thank you.